Hey everyone, today let's quickly talk about natural Zepbound recipes for weight loss. Are they legit or just hype? Quick disclaimer, this is based on my personal opinion and research from sources like Pinterest and user feedback. There are tons of recipes online labeled as Zepbound that use natural ingredients such as green tea, lemon, ginger, and apple cider vinegar, and other detoxifying herbs. These ingredients are known to have health benefits like boosting metabolism, reducing inflammation, and supporting digestion. While these recipes can be a healthy addition to your diet, it's important to know that there's no magic formula. No natural drink or recipe will melt fat without consistent healthy eating and exercise. Also, some recipes can cause side effects like stomach upset if not used properly. Many people find these drinks refreshing and a good way to increase hydration, which can support weight loss efforts indirectly. For the final verdict, natural Zappan recipes are legit as healthy lifestyle boosters, but not a standalone solution for weight loss. Use them wisely alongside a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more honest reviews.